My name is Hans Rizarri. I'm a partner in corporate recovery and turnaround. I've been a licensed insolvency trustee for more than 18 years. Clients can expect me to deliver some clarity in the difficulties that they face. The world of debt restructuring and turnaround are often new to business owners and individuals. What we do is give clients clear and concise answers so that they can take that away and help them make the right decision. One of my favorite quotes is that great businesses are not accomplished by one person. Great businesses are accomplished by a team of people. It is through the experience, through my 18+ years of experience, that when you do debt restructuring and turnaround, it requires not just the individual or the one business owner, it requires a group of people to work together to get to the end goal. The best part of the job is helping business owners and individuals go through the difficulties that they're facing. Oftentimes I see them, they're down and out, and they're stuck in indecision, and we help clear things up for them, and they go on and make the right decision, and we get great satisfaction from that.